February is Psychology Month, and with that in mind, the Dufferin Peel Catholic District School Board would like to share with you our own departmental recipe for building resiliency in children. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. 1 scoop of recognition of personal strengths and opportunities to use them. 3 cups of belief that you have an effect on things that happen to you. 1.5 cups of flexible coping strategies. 1 or 2 whole, secure attachments to an adult who can provide a loving, safe, and stable environment. 1/2 cup of problem-solving skills. 1/3 cup of perspective that mistakes are opportunities to learn. That's our growth mindset. 1 gallon of structure and rules. 4 to 6 cups of independence. 6 tablespoons of empathy. 3 cups of self-regulation skills. Combine all ingredients and mix well. Make sure to monitor during the baking process. Of note, other ingredients can be added or substituted as needed. For example, in our Catholic learning environment at Dufferin Peel, prayer is a very important ingredient. Enjoy and happy baking!